Welcome to zSpace, an immersive AR/VR learning platform designed for real interaction, no headsets required. The zSpace Inspiron is a compact laptop with an immersive 3D display screen deployed in thousands of classrooms at schools and training centers. zSpace lets users reach in, explore, and manipulate 3D virtual objects with natural precision, right from the laptop. Experience heavy machine and vehicle inspection, a hands-on training tool built for zSpace by Paracosma. Disassemble engines, rotate complex systems, and watch how each part works, all in stunning 3D. Practice real inspection skills, identify potential issues, study components up close, and understand mechanical systems from the inside out. With zSpace and heavy machine and vehicle inspection, hands-on learning has never been this real or this accessible.